Welcome to episode number 7 on the Little Kitchen. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to go over 9 cooking tips that'll help improve your cooking. Let's get going. Number 1, make friends with your produce person. Think about it. Every time you go to the grocery store and you go to the produce section, if you inquire about, hey, excuse me, Mr. Produce Person, but what's a perfect pineapple? What's a perfect green bean? How can I tell? He'll tell you. And if you do that over a year, you're going to get really great at selecting produce that's perfect and ready to cook and eat. Number 2, to make vanilla sugar, grind 1 vanilla bean with 1 pound of granulated sugar. Pass through a sieve and then store in an airtight container. In later episodes, I'm going to do a coffee show and show you some really nice coffees, and you can add vanilla sugar. You'll love it. Okay, number 3, don't use butter or margarine to prepare cake pans for baking. Butter and margarine have a high water and salt content, and sometimes they'll make your mixture stick and burn. Just brush lightly with a little lard or a little oil. Now this is a French technique, so I like it. It works for me. The only time I break it is when I make cornbread. But, try it. See and check out your results. This is a little bit of an advanced topic. Number 4, when whisking egg whites for a mousse or a souffle, they should be whipped until they form stiff, frothy peaks. I'm going to do a show on chocolate mousse, and you guys are going to love it. It makes it delicious. This is a classic Julia Child recipe for chocolate mousse. Okay, so stay tuned for that. Okay, we're halfway there. Number 5, always test your food while cooking. Okay, this is so important. You should always have a little stash of 5 or 6 teaspoons while you're cooking, so you can constantly taste things. You have to really change your palate to understand what tastes you like and don't like, and whether something is done or not done, whether something is too salty or too sweet. You have to really get into tasting. Of all the rules, I think this is one of the most important next to learning how to select food that's ready to cook. Number 6, the best wine is the wine you like. Seriously. A wine bottle can cost you $60, but if you don't like it, it's no good. Yeah, so remember that this is really important. The best wine is the wine you like. And don't let anybody ever move you away from that, all right? We're going to do a lot of pairings, and I want to know what kind of wines you guys drink and what food you drink your wines with. Wines are a lot of fun. Once you get into it, you'll really enjoy it. The problem is it's portrayed as snobbery, and it's really not that. Wine is just a bunch of fun, and we're going to learn about really nice wines on this channel. So stay tuned for that also. Number 7, this is a quote from a really great Italian chef who's had some problems recently, but this statement is still true. The pasta cooking water should be well salted. It should taste like the sea. Tip number 8. This comes from my dear friend Lisa Shimamoto. When cooking rice for a large group, add sake. 1 bottle cap per 3 cups of rice. This will make the rice nice and fluffy. Okay, we're at the last one, number 9. Don't overthink about having people over for dinner. People think that, I don't know, if you have really good friends and they really love you, you can have them over for a beautiful bowl of beans or whatever. Don't think that you have to go crazy just to have people over. Just make a really simple meal, three courses, a simple appetizer, a soup, and a main entree. You can do these dinners for like under $20 for 4 people, and I'm going to show you how to do that. But yeah, let me really, reiterate. Don't overthink about having people over for dinner. Invite somebody over. Get a bottle of wine, get some bread, get some cheese, a couple of snacks, whatever, and just enjoy your friend's company, all right? We're going to work on that, all right? Cool. So I hope you enjoyed these 9 tips. If you have a tip, comment about it. And of course, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. All right? Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time on The Little Kitchen.